Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix TikTok story option not showing. For example, if you open TikTok and if you want to try to upload a video or photo as your story and you do not find any kind of option here in your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close TikTok, and after that what you have to do next is you have to go to settings. In settings, what you have to do, you have to go to general. In general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset. In reset, what you have to do, you have to reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to open your App Store. In App Store, you have to check whether TikTok is not showing any kind of update. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your TikTok. For this, you have to simply search for TikTok here, and after that what you have to do, you have to check it is not showing any kind of update. It is showing, then you have to update your TikTok, and after that you have to check your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to open TikTok here again, and after that you have to go to profile, and here you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to scroll it down until you have to find report a problem. So here you have to simply report that problem to TikTok team so that they can solve for you as soon as possible. And hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.